Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Hey, welcome to Cars and Joshy. Pretty excited. It's a pretty big day. I get to go to the shop and pick up my steering wheel. They finally got it done, so I'm going to take you guys along for the ride and get that first look at the steering wheel. So before I head out, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell for new videos. Alright, coming up to the shop right now. Well, this is Twisted Wrench. It's not the steering wheel shop. They do like body work and light fabrication over there, but this Craft Customs is where I got my steering wheel. We'll go in there and I'll see if they'll let me bring my camera in and get a little bit of recording of inside the shop. I'll go ahead and put the link for their website in the description. Alright, they said I can bring in the camera and just as long as I stay in the sales area, so that looks like maybe my wheel right there. Grab the door. This out of the way. Oh yeah, I like that. Check that out. Man, that is beautiful.
So I took pictures of it as well.
It's so much better than stock. So yeah, I'll put the link to this shop in the description, and you guys can call them up if you like this. But basically it's smooth leather around here, and then it's Alcantara down here and under here, and they did a complete custom center section of the horn pad. They did all the hand painting and 3D printing of it and everything. So man, this thing it's gorgeous. I like the way it came out. So I'll bring you more on that in a little bit, but for now we'll go ahead and cut you guys off so I can take care of business here. Alright, got it back to the house. See if we can take a look at it under some different lighting. I think it looks so much better than factory. This Alcantara is going to come in handy for autocross events, and the leather is going to be nice because it's right in the right spot for longevity. So I think it looks great. And this shop, they can do all kinds of things. You know, I went back and forth on what style of stitching I wanted. I initially had like the small X pattern that comes in like Porsches and stuff. I was like, oh, this is an American car, and this stitching pattern right here is what you see in like the new style Denali's and stuff like that. So I went ahead and went with that. This is a double French stitch seam right here. That was the only way they were able to make the two different materials line up on this section. You know, traditionally this section is it's got a little chrome trim piece in there, and I kind of wanted to get rid of that. And this hand painted silver in here is an aluminum color. I'm not gonna have any like bright chrome stuff on the interior. I'm gonna have more like an aluminum or like a satin silver color. So that's why I went with that. This background in here used to be like the red wood grain type look from the 80s. I just had them do that straight black and then did the aluminum striping. But they can do, like where I have the leather or the Alcantara, that shop can do carbon fiber. They can do colored carbon fiber. They can do wood trim. They can do pretty much whatever you ask of them. I just happen to want the Alcantara because it's kind of like the new Chevy SS model, and I know they've got some Alcantara in that, and it's kind of like a sedan sport luxury type vehicle, and that's what I'm going for, the sport luxury on the El Camino. you know, kind of like CTSV. You know, it's got the LSA and all that. So kind of I want the interior to be more luxury, way more luxury than like the 80s. So yep, there you have it. And you can see the ugly maroon from the original back here, but yeah, let me get it installed. All right, let's get this sexy ass steering wheel on here. Looks pretty lined up to me. There's a little punch mark right here and right here, so makes it easy to line up. I didn't really want you guys to have to look at the upside down steering wheel, so I'm going to disconnect the intermediate shaft and rotate this 180 degrees and then reconnect the shaft. Then I think I'm going to need my keys so that I can unlock this so that I can rotate it. So. Alright, that's on as far as it's going to go. Alright, it's on there now. I'm going to go ahead and get this nut put on here. That gets torqued to 31 foot-pounds. This little spring clip feels like it's stretched out a little bit, so I'm going to try and squeeze it to tighten it down on here a little bit. This horn pad has a little spring connector for the horn, and it goes down into this little tower right here. Alright, I think that's it. Hey, I can steer it. Whoa. Nice. Race mode. Cruise mode. Steering wheel's on. Feels great. Looks great. And we'll call this one done. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.